Hey guys, today we're going to be trying out the Bratz and Colourpop collection. Colourpop very kindly sent this over to me, which was so lovely of them. So we've got a couple of things here. First things first, we have our eyeshadow palette, we've got the lip kits, we've got the body glitter gels, we've got the eyeliners and the plumping gloss. So we're going to start obviously priming our eyes and doing an eye look. But yeah, let's just get into it. I really don't know what vibe I'm going to go for today, but I guess we'll just play around and see how we go. I'm a little bit nervous. Sorry, I got a phone call. I don't remember what I was saying, but anyway, we're going to prime our eyes now. The little top has come off my P. Louise thing. It's in here, but it's like stuck. I could probably fix it, but I can't be bothered doing that at the moment, so we're just going to make do. I'm a little bit scared today. But we're just going to... I think, like, Bratz are so cool and very nostalgic to me. And obviously, you know, they're fashionistas. So I'm just... I feel like I've got a lot to live up to, trying to create an eyeshadow look with their palette. So I'm worried that I'm not going to make them proud. Am I weird? Maybe. So we've primed our eyelids. So this is how the palette looks here. So cute. We have all of our girls on the front. And then the colour story is beautiful, but it does scare me because there is just so many colours here. But you know, I am living for this blue. So I'd really, really like to do something that includes that. Like, oh, I just think that's absolutely stunning. So I'm kind of thinking maybe like something dark and a bit vampy. I think I'm going to start with a shade called Dump Him, which is like a brown. So let's do that. I'm running out of brushes. I'm running out of brush cleaner. I'm trying not to spend money, which is like... So, but I'm going to have to buy some brush cleaner. I don't have any brushes left. They're all just dirty. Anyway, I'm going to have to make do. So I'm taking this colour. I don't know if that colour is going to suit actually. Oh well, we'll just have to make do with it. So I'm just going to start putting her all over. Oh, it is so hot today. I jumped in my car before and it said it was 25 degrees. I'm not sure like how hot it actually is in here, but it's feeling pretty hot. Yeah, probably not the best day to be doing my makeup because I feel like I'm just going to sweat it all off, but it is what it is. I'm going to have to take this kind of fluffy brush and just... I'm going to take the shade now called Jade, and it's like a super deep blue. And I'm scared, but it's gonna be okay. It's such a pretty shade, but very scary. So yeah, we're gonna get something going like this. How pretty is this shade though? Like, it's stunning. I think I'm gonna go into the shade now called Yasmin. It's like a purple, like a light, kind of like lilac-y purple, and use that to like blend the edges of this blue. I'm really hoping that this look comes out how I'm envisioning it. But yeah, I'm kind of just tapping that like around like the edge of the blue, and then we're gonna just blend it. And then I feel like that just looks so much softer than that. Do you know what I mean? Okay, going back into this brush and just blending as much as we can. It's not a blender as nice over here. It's actually so hot, like I'm sweating so much right now. Anyway, so I've got something like that. Going into a smaller brush now, I'm going to take the black of the palette. It's called Tonight's the Night. Start putting that in the outer corner. I know that things are looking very messy at the moment, but I'm really hoping that they'll come together. Just got to persist. So I just kind of want it there like that, just to kind of deepen that outer corner. Okay. So yeah, kind of just something like that. I am going to go and cut the crease. Actually, before I cut the crease, I'm going to go back in with the Jade colour, which is the blue. We're going to like redefine it. Just so it still looks blended, but like it doesn't look muddy, you know? Just like that. So just kind of something like that. Then I'm going to take, I really like a big fluffy brush, but I don't think I have any. This is probably going to have to do. Anyway, I'm going to take that Yasmin shade, which is that purple, and just like ever so slightly just run over, kind of like keeping my brush like flat and just like running over everything. My eyebrows are in desperate need of a wax, so that doesn't help. I say they grow so quickly. Like, I think that, but then I actually haven't had them done since before I went away, so. Okay, I'm gonna go cut my crease and then we'll be back. Okay, so I've cut my crease now. Just gonna go back into the black shadow and blend that. And then we're gonna put our shimmer shade on. So yeah, just blending it like very lightly. I'm so excited because we're taking Chloe and I just think that this shade is so stunning. So do you think? Yeah, I think. Let's do it. I'm just going to bring it to about here and then we're going to put another shade on, but it's very, very beautiful and it's very bright. That's how we're looking. I'll just take a tiny little bit more of the black and just blend it into our like shimmer shade. And then I think I'm going to take this, which is Passion for Fashion, and put that in inner corner. It's a real pretty shade. It's like the perfect inner corner shade. Look at it. Stunning. Love that. Okay, so we do have 2 liquid liners. We've got pink and purple. I just don't think either of them are going to suit today. So I think I'm going to go off camera and do lashes and then we'll be back to try out the lip kits. Let's get into these lip kits. So there's 4 here, 1 for each of the girls. So I think what I'm going to do first is go through and swatch them all and then we'll see like what one we think will match. So first up we have Jade. And her little things are Cool Cat. So these comes with a lippy stick and a lippy pencil. Oh, that's actually so pretty. Hers is like metallic. That's so cool. So that is our Jade lip kit there. So stunning. And yeah, we have the lippy stick and lippy pencil both in the shade Cool Cat. Next we have Sasha. So that's Sasha's there. Hers are both in Bunny Boo. And hers is obviously like a bit more pinky. Super cute. Yasmin! Her like little lippy stick looks like it's kind of metallic as well. I love that. Yasmin's is really, really pretty. Hers are both in Pretty Princess. Okay, and last but not least we have Chloe. Also, I probably didn't say it before, but I love how the boxes are like how the Brat Store boxes used to be, like a bit triangle. Chloe's is metallic as well. That's so cool. Hers is called Angel. Now I've got to decide what one to wear. I honestly feel like Chloe's is probably going to be the one that matches best. Do you think? I think I might do Chloe, to be honest. Let's put her on. I've done a terrible job with this lip liner. I feel like this without like the lips filled in reminds me so much of Bratz. Like just the lip liner. That is the Chloe lip kit there. So, so pretty. Now I think I already swatched these. I tried it on in my, what do you call it? Like my unboxing this collection, but I'll just do another swatch of the little So Juicy Plumping Gloss. It's honestly pretty clear. It's just got like purple shimmers through it, but I love these plumping glosses. So that's it there. Yeah, that is the finished look, guys. I didn't end up obviously using the liners or the Glitterly Obsessed. I was going to pass these along, but I just can't. They're too pretty. But yeah, that is everything. I loved the palette. I thought it was absolutely stunning. I feel like it is very Bratz coded. I will say it's obviously not a neutral palette. And it's one that I think you've kind of got to put a bit more work in to get a look, just because they're very like bright and vibrant colours. But the shimmer's absolutely beautiful, and I feel like they've really nailed the Bratz theming. I love these shades. I think they're beautiful. But yeah, I'm really impressed. So let me know down below what you thought. Let me know if you've picked this collection up. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!